Install and maintain an effluent filter on a tiny house septic system to protect the leach field from solids. An effluent filter is a permanent screen fitted on the outlet T of the septic tank that traps solids and reduces leach field clogging. Choose a filter rated for residential wastewater with a pore size between 200 and 500 microns for effective retention without frequent clogging. Fit a removable cartridge-style filter on the outlet T so you can withdraw it during service without entering the tank, and always orient the locking tabs for easy access. At every pump out, remove the cartridge, hose it down with household water until effluent runs clear, then inspect for holes, tears, or deformation, and replace if damaged or after roughly 5 years of service depending on wear. Install a simple warning device that monitors differential flow or pressure across the filter so you get an alarm before solids start bypassing or the pump strains. Battery-powered or hardwired float alarms both work depending on your electrical setup. Upstream of any sewage pump, add a stainless steel or heavy-duty plastic basket to catch large rags and wipes, and train the owner to rinse the basket weekly into the tank with a hose directed into the inlet to avoid splashing and skin contact. 3 common mistakes are using a filter with too fine a screen that clogs constantly, neglecting routine rinsing that allows solids to build up, and failing to mount the filter access riser above grade so the cartridge is not reachable. If the screen is too fine, switch to a coarser micron rating and supplement with more frequent cleaning rather than forcing flow through a clogged element. If routine rinsing is neglected, set a calendar reminder tied to pump outs and show the owner the simple 5-minute rinse procedure so it becomes habit. If access is buried or hard to reach, extend the outlet T with an access riser to grade and secure a watertight lid so service can be performed without excavation. We operate BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors for projects like tiny house septic work and to share practical advice on maintenance. Our site also lets contractors find local jobs and participate in a discussion community where we and other members swap tips, troubleshooting steps, and product recommendations.